I'm Kruno. Thanks for watching EPLAN Essentials. Did you ever had to rotate Enclosure in Pro Panel by 90 or 180 degrees? And shortly after, the mounting surface starts to behave strange. In today's video, I'm gonna explain you why and how to rearrange the mounting surface again so it works like before. Alright, let's take a look how mounting surfaces works in EPLAN Pro Panel. In general, every mounting surface has a point of origin. The point of origin can be typically found on the left bottom corner and is symbolized by a coordinate axis. As you can see, while I'm hovering over the various mounting surfaces, the coordinate axis cross can be found on the left bottom corner. If I jump, for instance, on the door, the placement again, you will see the coordinate axis cross also in the left bottom corner. This helps us usually doing the placement in EPLAN Pro Panel, as we know that the red axis is the x-axis and the green axis is the y-axis, and the direction of the arrow symbolizes the positive value. A counter direction will be a negative value. For instance, if you're using the placement buttons, we would know if we would like to enter offset x 50, that we would like to go 50 millimeters to the right. So, but what happens if we are creating a rotation of the enclosure, for instance, by 90 or 180 degrees? Then the point of origin also rotates by 90 or 180 degrees. In this example, I will now take the enclosure and rotate it by 180 degrees. That means this surface here at the top will be the placement area, and the head will move from the right side to the left side, the hinges from here from left side to the right side. This can be very easy accomplished by, for instance, insert placement area, and I'm just pressing this yellow surface here at the top. And now this surface will be selected as the placement area. What we need to do now is rotate the placement area by 180 degrees. And there we go. So now seemingly nothing has changed and the enclosure is like we wanted. But if we take a look at it and do another placement, we see the coordinate axis moved from the top, or from the left bottom corner to the right top. And now, if I'm doing the same placement like before, placement options, and expecting to move 50 millimeters in X, the software will move in the different direction because X positive is now going to the left side. If we have this situation, we need to rearrange the mounting surface. How to rearrange the mounting surface? That's fairly easy. All what we need to do is select the mounting surface. In this case, it's the door outside, and say right mouse click, mounting surface, adjust x-axis, or if necessary, adjust y-axis. Often, adjust x-axis is sufficient. So now I'm selecting adjust x-axis and defining the start and the end vector of this action. So now I'm just selecting this corner, start point, and I'm selecting this corner here as the end point. Automatically, you see the software rearranged the point of origin from the right corner to the left bottom corner. And now, if I'm repeating the same action and trying to get the placement options, and the software behaves like before. Have you already known about the rearranged X and Y axis functionality in EPLAN Pro Panel? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video beneficial, please make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it in your community. Until the next time, Uncle Kruno signed out.